Hi, my name's Brooke with WTI. Have you ever heard of a bird but no bird bath? Well, that's insane. Every bird deserves a bird bath. Well, this Lixit bird bath is just the best thing for these birds. That's how much they love this. This is really important for them because I go clean it once a day and they can play in it, and it just changes up their routine. And they get so excited and they get a chance to refresh themselves, and they just love being in the water. This is really great because it's not too deep, but they can sink half their body in at a time, and it's just the right size for them, submersing themselves with keeping their head out of the water. And I can see my bird flipping, turning, and she and he absolutely love it as a way that they can drink their water. So as long as you're changing it every day, they can drink their water from here. This is so easy to clean and fill each and every day because it locks in place. You just twist it and pull it out at the bottom here, and then you set it back down and twist it and it locks into place. And it's easy to use. This is really great because the birds get a chance to break up their routine and they can jump in the water, they can fluff around, and they love being in here. I have not seen my birds more happy than when they get to have their bird bath. So if you want to keep a bird happy or a few birds happy, get this bird bath by Lixit. And that's my point of view.